I'm gonna make barbecue pork chops. My 5 pork chops here. Seasoning salt. Okay guys, I have this up on pretty high heat. Hi everyone, I don't know how you found me, but I'm glad you're here. Tonight I'm gonna make, tomorrow, I'm gonna make barbecue pork chops. And those of you that know me know I season my meat 12 to 24 hours ahead of time. So let me show you what I have. I have seasoning salt, I have onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. And I have my 5 pork chops here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera set up so we can start cooking these. I'm gonna cook them in the oven. And then I'm gonna barbecue them, then I'm gonna put them on a little grill to give them some grill marks. Welcome to my channel, I'm Jennifer. Let me turn the camera around, let's get cooking. Okay, I'm gonna start with some seasoning salt. I'm just gonna season them pretty heavily with the seasoning salt because I won't be using any other salt other than this. And then I'll go in with the black pepper. Yeah, I'm gonna cook these tomorrow. Like I said, to those that know me, welcome back. And if you're new, yeah, I'm really known for quick, fast, easy meals for people who are on the go, who don't have a lot of time to cook. This is smoked paprika. I'm just seasoning both sides kind of liberally. And my garlic powder, since it came in a big thing, I put it in a separate container so I wouldn't have to contaminate what's left in there. And these pork chops have been brining for 20 minutes in warm water. And I'm gonna have a video inserted right here so you can go and check that out. I figured you didn't want to see that again. And show you how I brine my chicken. I brine my protein, I should say, because it is a chicken video where I did the brine for the first time. I showed it on camera. And I really didn't see a need to show you guys that again, those of you who follow me closely. And yeah, this is something quick and easy. And if you don't want to use the fryer, you can put them in the oven. And like I said, when you cook them, when you let them sit in the refrigerator over 24 hours, you get maximum flavor. So there you have it. A little smoked paprika gives it a smoky flavor. They're barbecue chicken, but they will not be cooked on a grill. And a lot of black pepper. Then I'm going to put these in a plastic bag and put them in the refrigerator. Just want to massage that in, get these seasoned up really good. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. If you like these type of videos, please like, subscribe, and share. I do quite a few giveaways per year, and I always upload 2 videos minimum a week, and I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. So let me put you guys on pause, get these and show you how to put these in the plastic bag, and then we'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you how to cook this delicious meal for your family that's quick, fast, and easy. Be right back. Okay, this is the gist of it. I'm just going to drop these in a plastic Ziploc bag. Toss these in my refrigerator. 12 hours is fine, 6 hours is fine, but they always say on TV that an hour is good. I just can't see how an hour gets the flavor all the way down to the meat, especially if you have a bone. So I'll see you guys back in 24 hours and I'll show you how to cook these delicious meals. It makes a very delicious meal for a Sunday or any weeknight. See you in 24 hours. Okay everyone, it's been 24 hours and I forgot to tell you, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to this bag for the baking process. I'm gonna use a wire rack. A little bit of olive oil in here. So for cooking, I've got my oven preset at 400 degrees. These should go about no longer than 20 minutes. I have a meat thermometer. You need 145 degrees. Then I'm going to take them out and I'll put barbecue sauce on and then do the next step. So I line my wire baking sheet with foil because you guys know I do not like a big cleanup. That's part of why, that's one of the reasons I do not like to cook. I have 5 boneless pork chops. You can definitely use bone in. It just take a little longer to cook and you have to really be careful of the temperature. So we put these in the oven and then come back and pull them out and then we'll sauce them and then I'll continue on with the video. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You guys know me. I upload 2 videos a week. I always include an inspirational quote and always show a controversial joke. And I appreciate all my subscribers and thanks for coming back to watch me. As you know, my channel is all about no skills, no frills, just easy cooking for weeknight meals. Get these in the oven and I'll be right back. Okay, I set the timer for exactly 20 minutes and pork chops are reading 169 degrees, which is way past, which is fine with me because anybody that knows me knows, you guys know, I do not play around with pork. So what I decided to do Let me grab my tongs. I want to make this rack as easy to clean as possible. So I'm going to take these pork chops off of here and put the barbecue sauce on here. My husband made this barbecue sauce at 4 o'clock in the morning, and he makes it homemade. If you guys would like the recipe, let me know, and I would be happy to demonstrate making it or put the recipe down below. So I'm just going to sauce these on both sides, and you see they're beautiful. 20 minutes. They're boneless. Now, if you want to do pork chops, they take longer and they're a little bit more trickier to cook. And you know I'm all about simplicity. I'm just going to turn these over. And he stores his sauce in a mason jar, and we put a date on it, and we keep it no longer than 60 days. I'm just saucing these up. Liberal amount of sauce. And then I'm going to transfer these to my griddle pan. I have it heating. Put some nice grill marks on these. Makes it look more appetizing. Just make sure all these are flipped over. That one is. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You guys know I upload 2 videos a week. I always include an inspirational quote and a controversial joke. You know my channel's for the beginner, not for, well, it's for anybody who likes good food but just doesn't want to spend a lot of time cooking, or like myself, those that know me know I work as an ER nurse, and I have very little time to cook, and my husband and I, our schedules are off. You know, I work afternoons. So let me turn the camera around and show you how I'm going to put grill marks on these. Okay guys, I have this up on pretty high heat, and I've sprayed this with some non-stick spray. And the pork chops are done. I'm not trying to cook them. I just want to get some grill marks on them. Cut them down a little bit. Let them go for a couple minutes on each side. Sorry about the lighting, I forgot to put the light on. Not quite there. Just a quick, fast, easy. This is our Sunday dinner. I'm cooking these pork chops. My husband really likes them, and definitely check out the insert with the brine, because these were brine, so I'm not worried about, even though they want 165 degrees, they're definitely not overcooked, and they're not dry on the inside. That brining protects against that. Gonna put some more sauce on here. And not quite. I want some char marks on here, so to give the illusion of being grilled when they really haven't been grilled. I'm going to put you guys on pause and come back and show you when I flip them over. Okay guys, there, now you can see, oops, breaking up my pork chop. There's the grill marks I'm trying to show you. This adds a little bit of extra flavor and a little more appeal to how they look. Makes them look like they were cooked on the grill when they have not been. Turn them a little bit. You know how to cook really well. You know how to turn these and make them crisscross, which I do not. There we go. Now we're cooking, as they say. I just want just a little bit of color on there. I'm not trying to, like I said, cook these. And these go great with any sides. You have potato salad, any kind of potatoes or pasta. Like this is just macaroni salad, vegetables, rice. This is just basically barbecue pork chops. So these are pretty much nice in color. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera on so you guys might joke and set up with some pictures. And once again, thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. And please comment, like, subscribe, and share. I'll be right back. Okay guys, there you have it, baked barbecue pork chops, and I got the grill marks from using a grill pan on top of the stove. So let me tell you guys my joke. Little Nancy was in the backyard filling in a hole when a neighbor peered over the fence, interested in what the girl was up to. He asked, "What are you up to, Nancy?" My goldfish died, replied Nancy tearfully without looking up, and I've just buried him. The neighbor was concerned. That's an awfully big hole for a goldfish, isn't it? Nancy patted down the last heap of earth and replied, that's because he's inside your freaking cat. Thought that was kind of funny. But anyway, that's my joke. If you like this video, once again, please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, leave me some comments. Hope to see you on the next one. You guys have a good evening and give this recipe a try. Simple, in the oven, very easy cleanup. God bless.